How funny is this? You having a wash, Beth? Are you okay? Sorry. He's waggling. I've never seen a bird travel like this before. Are you okay, bud? You're clean now. Yeah. One funny bird. And Ali is wanting to be in the spotlight as well. Come on, sweetie. I want to show people what the room looks like now. Me and Ali have been redecorating a bit. I'll just move the cage. Oh, baby, just took a massive wet dump on my chair. So they've got a little bit more space down here now. And that cage down there opens on the side as well now, so I can easily get to Keely when I need to. Okay, guys. What's she's done to my chair? Okay, guys, calm down. Calm down, guys. You want to be in the spotlight as well, do you? Hey? Ali's getting along with them, which is nice. She keeps sitting on top of their cage, trying to steal their food. It's a very Ali thing to do. Taking Ali to the vet tomorrow. Decided that I'm going to walk her over there. It's a couple of mile walk. But it'll give her some time to get some fresh air because she doesn't get that often. And since she's, I think, got some respiratory problems, that may be good for her, hopefully, to get some fresh air. Hope you guys are having a nice day.